Hello and welcome back, everybody. I'm going to be opening up a little backstory. Was that? Oh, looking for some cards, and I stumbled across a couple boxes of these, or tins, if you will. They're in tins. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I found three of these, so I thought I'd pick it up. There were four, but I'm in Minnesota. That kind of varies. If you go to Target, sometimes they'll let you get more, but they're supposed to only let you get three. So I played the game. I got three. I could have grabbed four, but you know what? I'm gonna let someone else have a chance to get one. These are what were left. So I'm gonna be opening these up. I haven't seen any. This is the Garbage Pail Kids 2021 Food Fight. So it looks like we look for exclusive loaded puzzle sketch cards, 10 packs plus 3 celebrity chef stickers, 83 sticker cards per box, tin. This is sealed. It's from Tops. Looks like there are some redemption. You can get a redemption. Send it in. But alright, let's open this up. Alright, let's see here. Let's have a fun time. Sit back. Watch me open up some Garbage Pail Kids. Why not? Something fun. Oh, look at that. Put that. Alright, so we have, yes, the famous styrofoam. Alright, so this is a refrigerator because it is the food fight. Alright, let's set that there. Here's our celebrities. Here's our block of cardboard. I guess let's put up, maybe we'll do it like that. I'll put my favorite card up there. As we go through, you can decide. Leave a comment. If you like one of the cards, you think one of the cards is really cool, it's alright. Leave a comment. Make it cool, make it nice. But yeah, say, oh, I like that card. That was a funny card. Or that was really gross. I don't know. Whatever, Alright. Here we go. Let's put these. I'll put these here. Alright. Here we go. We got Grated Grady. Yep. Look out. Don't want that pizza. Tell you what. We have, of course, Refined Reggie. Doesn't seem to want to focus there. That's Refined Reggie. Alright. Oh boy, we have Fridge Frankie. All he wanted to do was get a snack. Ugh, Fridge Frankie. Alright. Flip it. Looks like we got a green variant. So let's flip that. Okay. Ice Cream Sundae. Look at that. Going with that food theme. We got Boiled Bonnie. I believe I got that card before. Might be a different name. But yeah. Oh, we have Thin Mindy. Look out. You're going to buy these cookies or else. We have Cavi D. Yeah. Candy where your teeth should be. Alright. It looks like our green variant. We have Twin Keith. Got that card before. Something else. Twin Keith. Yeah. Alright. We'll put the variant there. Alright, that was pack one. Alright, let's do pack two. What do you think so far? Kind of goofy. Alright. There's your checklist. In case you're collecting that 2021. There's your checklist. Alright. We have Irritable Lowell. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright. Tenderized Travis. Yeah, he's tenderized alright. Jeez. Alright. Oh, we have Lemon Nadine. I got that card before, a different name, I believe. Alright, looks like we have a Flip It. Billy Bling, of course, ring pops. Billy Bling. Overseasoned Sean. Yeah, got a lot of these cards, yep. Steve Heave. I got these if you watched my other. There we go. That's the card I remember. Creamed Phil. You know, I like Cream Phil. It's got a better name than Twin Keith. You know, I get what they're going for the name, but I like cream filled. Sounds funnier. All right. Let's look at our green variant. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's like a peep. Oh, marshmallow. Bet you that's not chocolate. All right. Like I said, you know, Garbage Pail Kids. Does it bring back some nostalgia for you? Does it bring, you know? I guess you don't have to like Garbage Pail Kids. You can just like humor. If you like humor, you know, you'll probably like these because it's funny. You know, if you're like me, you grew up when we had Cabbage Patch Kids, the Cabbage Patch Kid dolls that people had in the 80s. And they came out with these kind of, you know, a perverted Cabbage Patch Kid, but they're Garbage Pail Kids. You know what I mean? Kind of a mockumentary of Cabbage Patch Kids, but with Garbage Pail Kids. That's why they're funny, even to kids nowadays. Because, I mean, you know, especially if you're, you know, a boy, you like that kind of, that toilet humor, that funniness. Even if you're a girl, you like humor too. Everyone likes humor. We don't exclude anybody. You know what I mean? Everyone likes humor. Sometimes some of these are just made for, you know, some people are just like, ugh. But sometimes, you know, it doesn't matter who you are. If you like funny, you like funny. You know, these aren't for everybody. I get that. But if you just want to have a funny time, well, check them out. We got Haggis Hammus. Hammus. All right. There it is. We got it again. It's the Kingston cake, the baby cake of Mardi Gras. Oh, we have Tato. Yep. So got all these cards. Whipped Cream Ken. If you watched my other video, I got most of these cards in that value pack. All right. Here we go. Condiment Cody. Yeah. Wizen Winthrop. Yeah, got that card. Zap Zacked. Zap Zack. All right. There we go. Zap Zack. because he's in the microwave. This microwave dinner. All right, let's check out this green variant. It's Hot Dog Dave. Hot Dog Dave. All right. Have any of these been your favorite so far? You know, one hasn't really jumped out at me. When it does, I'm going to put it up here. You know, we got our variants. Those are chef cards. So it's a good time. And like I said, it's not for everybody. But if you enjoy this kind of humor, you're going to enjoy it. Unaware Eddie. Unaware Eddie. All right, it's the Storks Pickles. It's Dylan Pickles. Yeah. Oh, we have Spacey Stacy. All right. Boom. All right. There we go. Another adaptation of the Atom Bomb, but we have Blended Billy. I always like getting these cards. So you know what? Like I said, Atom Bomb as an adaptation. Unless we get an Atom Bomb in here, that's my favorite card so far. We have Greta Dan. Greta Dan. I tell you folks, if I go out to restaurants, I haven't been to a restaurant in over a year. Won't explain why. You know. But you get your cherry Coke or cherry Pepsi. You know, and they put the grenadine. Tastes so much better. Tastes so much better with that grenadine than a real, you know, cherry Pepsi or Coke. But there we go. What did I just say? Pepsi and Coke, right there. Right there. No coincidence here, folks. These aren't planted. It just happens. It's all natural. We have Battling Bev. We have Trashy Tray. Trashy Tray. And our green variant looks like it's this one here. Oh, we have Loaf of Fred. Don't want that. That's all moldy. Tell you what. All right. Next pack. Let's keep on rolling. Oh, look at that. Cheesy Chester. Oh, so now you know where they get the Flamin' Hot Cheetos from. Oh, boy. Is that one of the... Oh. All right. We have Levi Linguine. Oh, boy. Yeah, I got that one before. Finger Lickin' Ken. Right, flip that. We have Messy Jesse. That's a new one for me here. Tony Tomato. That's a new one. We like it when we get new ones. Oh, there's another new one. Feastin' Easton. Oh, boy. Yep. All right. We're going to go to our green variant. Oh, we have Squeezy Louise. Yeah. And we have a yellow. We have Connor Sewer. Connor Sewer. Yellow variant. All right. What do you think so far? Any of these your favorites? Oh. You know what? This one feels a little something. We're going to put this one to, you know what I mean? This one feels like a little something extra, I think. Let me kind of feel these. I don't know, man. That could be just completely, I don't know. I'm going to put that there just in case. That just felt a little different. It might be just my imagination. All right, here we go. We have Food Selfie Steffi. Got that card before. We have Flaky Fran. That's a new one for the food fight for me. Oh, here's another new one, I believe. Stomp and Stella. We got Stomp and Stella. Oh, we got a green variant, a microwave. Microwave. Alright. Perry Premium. Oh, because he's a toy. You know, what kid's going to get that nowadays? You know what I mean? No kid's going to get that because there aren't no any toys and cereal anymore. Only people from the 80s are going to remember that, and 90s. You know what I mean? Hey, you gotta get to that. You gotta get to that toy and that cereal. It's No Meat Pete. I have an apple, but I'm hiding my Mick you know what behind me. You know what I mean? There we go. Alright. Sugar Sheena. That's a good one. Sugar Sheena. It's a good looking car right there. And of course, oh, we have Picky Mickey. Picky Mickey. Alright. Next pack. You know, now I think about it, there's probably nothing. But I don't know, it just felt weird. Gummy Gus. Gummy Gus, that's a new one. Alright, here's another new one. Let Sal Go. That's right. You know what I mean? Here's another thing we haven't had for a long time, you know? Let's all go to the movies. We won't, you know why. Oh, yes. Hall & Oates. Hall & Oates. Because sometimes you just need a little Hall & Oates in your life. And sometimes you don't. Alright, that was a new one. Oh, we have Woody Block. Woody Block. Like a termite or something there. Alright. Oh, just doing the green variants right away. We have Donut Down. Oh, look at that. That's where they get the donut holes. Alright, so green variant. Oh, look at that. We have Rotting Rob. Yes, please shut the refrigerator. Don't open that refrigerator. Third Helping Theo. Alright. And Toast Ted. Toast Ted. Alright. Next pack. I don't think. But maybe. I don't know. I don't think it's anything. I think it's my imagination playing tricks on me. We have Dippin' Derek. Alright. Funnel Finley. Funnel Finley. We have Flea Flow. Flea Flow. Alright, we'll hide that. Do the green variant at the end there. Shrimpy Cheryl. Pop Corey. Alright. Peter Pellets. There we go. That must be from the these are your ads. You know, the bunny. I don't need to tell you. Hunter-gatherer. Alright. And our green variant. Ooh. Alright. We have a new, like I said, I like it because it's kind of that new variant of Atom Bomb. He's a blender. Boom. That's still cool. Like I said, Atom Bomb, I think, at least for me, number one card if you were going to get a card. What started, like I said, I saw Garbage Pail Kids on the playground in elementary school. Someone had them. I said, oh, that's cool. And I saw Atom Bomb. I was like, that is cool. You know what I mean? But it was already, I think I started getting them, the Series 3, I think is when I probably, convinced Mom or Dad, hey, give me some Garbage Pail Kids. I want some Garbage Pail Kids. Everyone, you know what you do in your kids, whatever. But yeah, there's Play Paul. Yeah. We have Jarring Jessica. Coming soon to a theater near you. Director, writer Steven Spielberg's bringing you Jarring Jessica. What happens when you're bad? You'll get jarring. Whatever. There we go. We have Sticking Up Stanley. Like the those icicles, popsicles. Get two of them. You can share. Stick Up Stanley. Oh, we have our ad. We have Dawson Cookies. So yellow variant. Well, let's just do the green variant. Oh, we have peanut nut allergy. Yep. Don't give him peanut butter, folks, or peanuts. Too late. Oh, look at that. What? Oh, yes. We have Joe Cone. Joe Cone. Joe Cone. All right. Salt shaker. Oh, we have the pepper one. Now we have the salt one. We have salt shaker. All right. And we have marshmallow. All right. Last pack. What do you think so far? What was your favorite? Like I said, that's my favorite. All these is just a good time. You know what I mean? Just having a good time. Hopefully you're having a good time watching. Alright. We have Spittin' Spencer. Got that card before. Junkatarian John. Yep, got that. Herschel Squirts. Got that card. Okay. We're just going to flip these around. Ooh. All right. That's a new one for me. Boardwalker. We have a Split Brit. Split Brit. All right. That was a new one. This is a Kareem Fillin. Got this one. I believe different name. Herschel Squirts. Okay, wait a minute now. We just... Oh, yeah. Yep, sorry. I'm like, didn't we just get that card? Yeah, because it's hiding that card. We're going to do this one right now. We have Chuck Steak. Chuck Steak. Now, I saw this. I don't know what that is. That's it must be like a gold variant. Is this going to be a special one? You're going to see with me, folks. All right. Let's open this baby up. What have we got? All right. There we go. We have Spicy Spencer. That must be a gold variant, I guess, if you will. All right, that's kind of neat. All right. We have Adam Appetite. You know what I mean? I still say that's my favorite card, even though that's another adaptation of Atom Bomb. You know what I mean? That's a little too cartoony. Oh? What is this? Redeem your exclusive. Oh, what is this? Oh, I guess I get a digital. I'm not gonna scratch it off. There we go. I get a redeem your exclusive digital Garbage Pail Kids pack now. All right. There we go. I guess I'll do that. And last but not least, our was it three? I believe our three chefs. I believe you saw the first one, which I mean, everyone knows if you think of celebrity chefs, Gordon Ramsay, you know what I mean? Who are some other celebrity chefs? Maybe Julia Childs? Ooh, a Julia Childs or there's a bunch of celebrities, you know? Maybe they'll make fun of, Rachel Ray or, Bam! You know? Was it Emerald Lagasse? What was his name? Was that it? Bam! I don't know, alright. But we all know it's Raw Ramsay. Alright. It's kind of funny. Let's kind of do. Who's it gonna be? Who is it gonna be? You'll see it here with me right now. Oh, okay. We have Debone Bobby. Debone Bobby. Bobby Flay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna call it right now. It's gonna be some sort of Guy Fieri. Could it be? Could it be a Guy Fieri? That's what I'm calling right now. Oh, look at that. Called it. Called it there. Guy Fieri. Fiery. Looking at. You go from Gordon Ramsay. You come to America and all he does is just swear, calling you an idiot, a muppet, whatever. And you have Bobby Flay. Bobby Flay, was that his name? Something like that. He's a chef, American chef. And then who's going to be your polar opposite of a normal American cooking chef, but this guy. We're going to put some mustard on it. We're going to put some of that sauce. We're going to kick out of whatever he says. You know what I mean? He's a little too bombastic for me. You know what I mean? I like my food. I don't like my food to set me on fire. All right, that's just me. All right, what did you think? Did anyone have a favorite? I have to look into the gold. What is the gold? I think that's a gold variant, if you will. Or just yellow border. I'm not sure. I looked into that. But yeah, I had a good time. Like I said, I'm going to have some more of these. So, stay tuned. I got some other Garbage Pail stuff coming up. The Garbage Pail Kids. And like I said, it might not be for you. You know what I mean? It's not for everybody. I like humor. I like this kind of funny humor. You know what I mean? I like making fun of. It's just fun. It's good old fun. That's what we're here to do. Just have a good time. You know what I mean? Enjoy life. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay tuned for my other videos. Comment if you will. If you liked, what was your favorite? Comment. You know what I mean? You don't have to. But if you will, comment, subscribe if you will. You know, if you like, if you're interested. Like I said, I'm a treasure hunter of all kinds. Collectibles, metal detecting. I want to get out metal detecting. You know what I mean? So, like I said, it's a little bit for everybody. You don't have to like everything. You don't have to like metal detecting or rocks. You know what I mean? You can skip those videos if you're not into that. Or if you want to watch sport cards, I do that too. You know what I mean? I just get into collectibles. I do this for myself. A little hobby, if you will. You know, I just show them off. If you like to watch it, you had a good time, then that's good. Like I said, I like to just open it up. I'll film it. If you want to watch it, like I said, awesome. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you for my next video. Stay safe. See you next time.